In the world of automobiles, the alternator plays a crucial role, often overshadowed by the more visible components like the engine and battery. Have you ever wondered what exactly an alternator is and how it powers your vehicle? This article dives deep into the workings of an alternator, its components, and its vital role in keeping your car on the road. An alternator, essentially an electric generator, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, specifically in the form of alternating current, AC. Unlike the common misconception that the vehicle's battery runs the show, it's the alternator that takes the spotlight. The battery, on the other hand, merely initiates the vehicle and provides power when the engine is not running. Understanding the significance of the alternator in a vehicle's charging system is paramount. It's the key player responsible for distributing electricity and recharging the battery, making it an indispensable component in ensuring your vehicle starts reliably. Let's delve into the intricate components that come together to make the alternator function seamlessly. 1. Rotor and stator. At the core of an alternator are the rotor and stator. The rotor, a cylindrical piece surrounded by magnets, spins within the stator, which houses a fixed set of conductive copper wiring. The movement of magnets over the wiring generates electricity. 2. Voltage regulator. The voltage regulator is the overseer, reviewing the power produced by the alternator and monitoring the output voltage delivered to the vehicle's battery. 3. Diode rectifier. Converting alternator voltage into a usable form for battery recharge falls under the responsibility of the diode rectifier. 4. Cooling fan. Due to the heat generated during operation, alternators are equipped with cooling fans. These fans ensure efficient functioning by dissipating excess heat, crucial for the machine's longevity. Understanding the functionality of an alternator in recharging the battery involves unraveling the process of converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. Production of electricity. The alternator is typically driven by the engine's crankshaft via a serpentine belt. As the belt moves, it spins the alternator's rotor at high speed within the stator, initiating the production of electricity. Charging the battery. To utilize the generated power, it needs to be converted into a format the battery can accept. This involves ensuring the electricity flows in the right direction, direct current, DC, as opposed to alternating current, AC. This distinction is crucial for effective battery charging. The working principle of an alternator aligns with electromagnetic induction, relying on a conductor, a magnetic field, and mechanical energy for electricity production. Understanding this principle involves considering the interaction between magnetic poles and the resulting flux. While alternators bring numerous advantages, it's essential to acknowledge the associated drawbacks. Advantages: cost-effective, lightweight, low maintenance, simple construction, robust and compact. Disadvantages: dependence on transformers, prone to heating if current flow is high. In conclusion, the alternator is the unsung hero of your vehicle's power system, diligently converting mechanical energy into electricity and ensuring your battery stays charged. Understanding its components, working principle, and applications provides valuable insight into the heart of your vehicle's electrical functionality. How often should alternator maintenance be performed? Regular checks are recommended every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as per your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines. Can a failing alternator affect other vehicle systems? Yes, a failing alternator can lead to issues with the battery, power steering, and other electrical components. What are signs of a failing alternator? Common signs include dimming headlights, warning lights on the dashboard, and difficulty starting the vehicle.
Can I replace the alternator myself?
While it's possible for experienced DIYers, it's advisable to seek professional help for accurate diagnosis and installation.
Is it normal for alternators to make noise during operation?
Some noise is typical, but excessive or unusual sounds may indicate a problem and should be inspected promptly. Don't forget to hit the like button to show your support and stay updated with engaging content that's sure to inspire, entertain, and keep you coming back for more. Thanks for watching and being a part of our journey.